Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying eligibility and collecting documentation. You need your legal business name, tax ID, and bank info. Once signed in to AdSense, go straight to Payments and open Account Settings to locate account information and change options. If the UI lacks a direct switch, prepare to request a payee change or new account creation through the contact form. Move quickly but carefully, because mismatched names or missing tax records will block the process and delay payments. Once you choose the new account type, fill the payee fields exactly as on legal documents and upload the registration and tax records. Make sure tax forms match the chosen type. For businesses, include employer or VAT numbers. Then update bank details and complete verification flows. Watch for address PIN mail, confirm microdeposit amounts, and respond to any identity prompts. These verification steps are crucial because AdSense ties payments and tax reporting to the verified payee identity. Finish by confirming the change in your payments dashboard and checking for confirmation emails. Make sure the payee name and tax status display correctly. Once changed, monitor upcoming payments. AdSense may hold funds until all checks complete. If you hit delays or mismatched info, contact AdSense support directly, include your case ID, and attach the same documents you uploaded. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification fails, correct and re-upload documents immediately, and keep screenshots of each submission for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.